Okay, I just got home as you saw, and nothing's happening. My car door won't open. How am I going to get out? How am I going to get out of the car? I guess I just have to run the window down and open it that way from now on. Now I gotta order a new latch. So if this is your experience and you need help to figure this out, you're at the right place, because we're gonna figure it out together. So on your way in, give us a thumbs up if you like the content, and let's go to it. All you need is 3 tools. A little screwdriver like this, one of the little pocket ones, or a real narrow one. You'll see why in a moment. T20 Torts, and a 5/16 socket, and then maybe 20 minutes of your time. First thing you got to do, there's a cover in here. Right here you can kind of grab a hold of it and it just pulls right out like that. We'll set that off to the side. And so we got a screw right there. So we go ahead and take those all out and set the screw to the side. Next we have on the left side, screw here. Just use this little thing and be careful not to break this little tab. And you got a screw there to take out. All down around the bottom. And you got another screw right here to take out. And then pop this one out. And you have a screw in here to take out. Now you're ready to pull off the inside cover. Basically all we do is just stick your fingers down here and just pull on it. Hear that popping loose? And it's popped loose there. It's popped loose under here. And pop loose underneath. We have it all loose, basically the whole way around, but for some reason this area is holding it up. So I figured it out that this piece has to come out. You can see right here where I kind of have stress cracks around that now, trying to get it loose. So we got one more screw right there to get. And as soon as that screw came out, it comes loose just like that. But you have to be very careful because you got wires there on that piece. You got wires to the speaker, and you got wires to a sensor right here. I guess that's a subwoofer or something. So we can unhook that right here. Make it a little bit easier. Can unhook this. Actually, you can just pop that through there. Put that out of the way. Unhook these 2 wires, and then unhook the speaker wires. They're all apart. Now we can take this off and just lay it off to the side. Just make sure there's different lengths of these screws that you took out, and make sure you put those in the correct location as you taking them out. So now let's inspect this. What's wrong? Yep, look right there. See that? How that piece is broken off. So Amazon just delivered earlier today. They delivered the new ones, and I went ahead and bought the double one because chances are the passenger side is going to break as well. Anyhow, I'll put a link in the description below of the single one for the left and a single one for the right, in case you have the right door that's a problem, broken, and then a link for the double. So how do we take this apart? Well, there's a screw right here, and that looks to me like that's about the only thing that's holding that on there, because see how it turns? Okay, got myself 5/16. Yep, that works. And screw, lay that off to the side, and now it's loose. And so how does this work? Let's check this out. You got this cable going in right here. So basically what you do is you get yourself a needle nose pliers, pull this out and turn it so that the cable can come out of this slot. Actually, what I'm going to do is use a screwdriver, pull up on it like that, use my other hand and hold this down, and that should give us enough clearance that'll pull right out. Or you can use needle nose pliers if you have them, and that'll make it a little bit easier. And there it is, it popped right out. And then this here, this white piece, just slides down in there, and you can just slide that up out of there. And that's what it looks like when it's apart. Since this is broken, we can just chuck that away into the bushes. And now we basically just do everything in reverse. Put this cable right down in here. Now this cable with that end cylinder on the end of it, you want to put that in first and then slide the white piece down into here. That'll make it easier for you. There, now that's what that looks like. Once you slide, make sure this piece here slid down into that slot the whole way. And now let's try it. I think it's going to work. Let's put that screw back in this hole right here. Okay, don't do it too tight, you don't want to strip it out. And there it is. So now basically we'll take that panel, hook all the cables back up, just basically do everything in reverse. All you have to do is just hook those in, snap it back in place. You know, you got these holes here where the backs of these here snap into. This here fell off. Make sure you put that back on the way it was. And you got all these little tabs the whole way around here to snap that back into place. Okay, it's all snapped into place. And we can put this screw in because that was the last screw out. This is the first screw we'll put in now. Don't do it too tight because you could strip it out. Snap this piece back in. Make sure those wires are up in there. Slide that tab in that slot. And I believe that was a short screw, which was the first one we took out. I laid here and put that in there like that. Then you have this piece that you just slide that in like that. And this one here was the last one to put in, and it was the long screw, in case you've forgotten. There, and then we just slide that tab back into place. There, job well done. Okay, let's try it out. See if this works. Are you scared? I'm a little nervous. That works. And it works. How about that? I didn't edit the video either. There we go. That works. Door latches. Let's unlock. Door opens. And it locks. It still opens. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something. It's the first time I ever did something like this on this car. And it's successful. And if you learned something, give us a thumbs up on your way out. And if you like the content and and want to watch some other handyman type fix it and do it yourself videos, go ahead and subscribe on your way out. And like always, have a good day.